Legends, welcome back to the latest edition of the Lit Ledger. As you can see, the curtain has now been pulled back on the Gold and Lit Estates NFT protocol that is coming this Friday. I don't know if you're ready for this. Let's engage. All right, and we all know Droplit protocol is continually evolving. It's always something new. You can't ask for anything better. All right, we already know what's going on with the Schwifty tree, because the Schwifty tree is the foundation. Just like in the drip animal farm ecosystem, drip is the foundation. Nothing comes before drip. Over here on the Droplit ecosystem, nothing comes before Schwifty. Schwifty is it. Like you see, we go here clockwise. Lit X, woo! The rumor has it, well, it's not a rumor. Paris said that he's halfway there. So we're closer and closer. Lit Estates, run by DeFi Escrow. We got the Lit Chain, So Lit, Sun and Wind Power Lit Station. We got Dropout. Now Zen, I don't know what else is coming. Hot news. Okay. Dropout 2.0. As you see, Parrish redesigned it. I'm telling you, man, it looks so professional. I guess really, yeah, look at it like this. As long as it did the job, the old one did do the job, so you can't really complain. However, this one is definitely appealing to the eye when the jackpot is here between the, I forgot what is it, 200 and 100 and 1,000. It's really clean. And like I said, it's Dropout 2.0. And I guess the question is, can you hang on or not? That's the new look. Now, let's take a look here at the Lit Estates. Now, meanwhile, behind the curtain, all right, the mission statement. So this is the discussion about the Golden Lit Estates and why I'm so excited about it, why you should be too as a Lit legend and part of the Droplet ecosystem in the community. The Golden Lit Estates NFT protocol was created to provide a solid foundation for the Droplet Schwifty contract and to help Schwifty increase liquidity, reduce the price volatility, enhance price stability for the native token. And of course, the object is to get the top spot in the Schwifty pool for the entire life of the protocol. So as long as there's a Droplit protocol, there will be the Golden Lit Estates NFT protocol. Let's continue on. This is the NFTs. Look at the quality of the NFTs. Of course, essentially there's 30 different NFTs. You want to match the pair up. So this is one of the matching pairs. You have the private jet, but you can't do anything with the jet if you don't have the pilot. And then you see her as the pilot. So you have, this is the standard, is the, I guess you could say, like the garden would be over here as standard. And then the luxury side would be the gardener, just like you have the jet and then the pilot. And then you'll see all the different things when the protocol launches. I have one whitelist spot left. So I'm going to figure out what I can do to get that last spot out. We'll see. And the whitelist will give you the opportunity to purchase your NFT before the rest of the folks. So I'm telling you, you're going to want to be in it because the rewards are outstanding. You can you can win drip, lit, BUSD. And I've heard the rumor that we may have the ability to win drip BUSD LPs. But, you know, with the legends, I got to keep everything on the down low, on the secret cell level. All right. If you have not seen this video, I'm going to put the link in the description. After this video, you need to go watch this, because in order for you to understand how the protocol is going to work, how big it's going to be for the ecosystem, you definitely need to watch the video. It's going to explain everything. It's going to show you the NFTs, how the NFTs work, the price of the NFTs, everything you need to know. The Golden Lit Estates Community Protocol, please check it out. Please show your love and support. Appreciate it. All right, LitX. We know it's closer and closer and closer. And we already know that's going to have the AMM as well as the automated market maker. This is, we cannot wait. But the biggest thing is going to give utility to, to the tokens. It's the first branch of the Schwifty tree, major droplet utility for the GDS token, the lit token. We know the referral system is coming. We just don't know about the bonus. We know we're definitely going to have the governors voting. So we're going to be have ownership in our ecosystem and the protocol. And then here with the token, we're still not sure if we're going to get us a lit X token, the lit token, or the GDS, how they're going to all be interacting with the lit X exchange. DeFi escrow, so I know he's behind the scene. And that's the thing, is when it's quiet over here in the community, they over here working. Paris is working, CV is working, DeFi Proof is working, Bobby Compound is working, DeFi escrow is working. Everybody's working behind the scene. And that's what I'm saying. There's always something new. Each week is something new. Now, I heard there's going to be some alpha coming this week. No. Let me take that back. Not even alpha. Some exciting news. I'll leave it there. Okay. And then, like I say, in the meantime and in between time, legends do what we do. Get ready, stay ready. Stack them LPs and continue to stay ready. We already know about the Schwifty pool, the lit ledger. We already know about the ability to stake our GDS and don't have to sell it, especially when GDS is only 32,000 token. Just going to be, as we were saying last evening in the last late night lit talk, the rarity of the GDS is going to be so hard to even earn it because it's such a limited supply, because people are going to hoard it. And then as crypto was breaking the numbers down, he was like, if everybody, it's like 750 holders. So if everybody, each of the 750 holders just held 42 tokens, all the supply would be gone. There would be no GDS. Do you have any idea how much the GDS token would be? Oh my, Legends, you got to understand. Okay, we already know what's going on. We're still waiting on CoinMarketCap. They are really slow. Maybe I guess it'll be official by the time the bull run comes. Maybe by the anniversary of Droplit. The rate they're going. All right, Droplets and stats. All right, let's go on and check out Droplit.money. All right, now inside the Droplit.money. So as we know, lit is down, and same thing with GDS. Now on the late night lit talk, S Crypto 101 had a great idea. Now, technically, I did do this the first time, but this time I was like, I didn't want to wait. So this is what I'm always saying. It's always about options. So what I'm referring to is, well, while I'm talking, let me go ahead and claim the funds, is taking my GDS out of the water bucket at this time and splitting it and putting it into the GDS BUSD pool. That way, at least I'm earning the 0.86%. This is what I'm saying, legends. You always want to have options, because as you can see, I still made $16 today. Okay, I'm going to make sure I'm doing this right on the ledger. So we're still getting paid, essentially. Even though it's down, we're still getting paid. That's the big, neon sign that we have to acknowledge. However, if I take my GDS, let me claim this last one, out, pair it, and put it in here, this will triple, quadruple, because it's only $311 in there. I done missed how much was in there before I claimed it. But that's what I'm saying. It's just so many options out here. Anyhow, so what S Crypto 101 said that he did, okay, now when he did it, is so I would go in here to the water bucket here, and see my water bucket has $619. So I can take that 8.5 or the 619, pair it with $619 of BUSD, or I would want to pair, because I don't want to lose my 8.5 GDS tokens, and take that from here, go back and put it into the GDS BUSD LP pool here. It's just so many options. What can you do? because at least we're getting a point almost 1% a day there. Yeah. And but on the same note, we see where the APR is in the boardroom when it decides to come back on. Anyhow, so like right now, see, everything's been claimed. I have my token here. We have $70 in GDS. So like right now, I could sell half of it and then pair it up with BUSD and enter it in the pool. I might just do that. Might just throw $70 in there, make this 140, and pair that up. Decisions. Anyhow, that's what I'm gonna probably do. I don't know, because I mean, that's, like I said, it's a great idea to reload or redistribute the money from the water bucket. Because right now, inside the water bucket, as we can see here, as soon as it populates, it's not doing anything. Even though it claims I would make $34 a day, but since we're under peg, it's not doing anything. Anyhow, I'm not going to hold up longer. So it's just decisions, options. And like I say, legends, you always want options, but always do what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. Because like I said, this is the part that's an individual endeavor. I'm definitely not giving up on the protocol because I know the potential of the protocol. I believe in Proof, CV, Bobby Compound, definitely Paris, and the rest of the team. That's why I'm here. I'm just saying, hey, yeah, we're printing, but I can always earn more. Like I said, these are the good decisions. These are the type of decisions you want to have to make. Do I leave it here or move it over to the pool in the meantime and then move it back? All right, legends, let's go back to the legend. So you know how I normally do. So as we can see over here in the far right, the average of the four pools is 0.7875, almost 1%. Now, of course, we had to do an NA not applicable for the water bucket because we're under peg, so the water bucket is not printing right now. And we already know about the L bonds. Everybody knows about the L bonds. Either you're doing the L bonds or you're doing dropout. And I see everybody's stacking up the L bonds. Nobody's just cashing them in. Everybody's holding them. I'm holding for and that was another decision that had to be made. Do you hold your L bonds, the $3, $5, $10, $25, or do you take your L bonds, sell them, and not sell them, just cash them in and put them into one of the pools? It's just so many options. And again, if you don't know how to do it, pause for the cause. Because my thing is here, if I got them for 50, 60, 70 cents, and then I can redeem them for $3, $5, $10, $15, or $25, this is nothing. The TVL was 2.4 million. The lit token was $5.72. GDS token was $11.95, but the L bond was $25 an L bond. 1,000 L bonds would be $25,000. So I have 300 and something L bonds. So that would be $7,500. This is what I'm saying, legends. It's just how much patience do I need to have in order to wait for it to get to back to that price? But with lit exchange, it could happen. Not no financial advice, but like I said, this is where that individual endeavor comes in. Do you at least wait till $1.20, sell responsibly, or do you wait till $3, wait till $5, to $10? You got to make the call, because like I said, it's been here already. We've already hit $25, so it can definitely happen again. And look at that TVL, only 2.4 million. We're sitting at almost a million TVL right now. And then when Lit X come, because we know what happens is when it goes under peg, the bonds be going just like that. So, and then at one point we couldn't even get the L bonds because they would be going so fast. And that's what I'm saying. So that's why I don't want to get rid of them, because it was so hard for me to get them. And of course, purchasing your L bonds and redeeming them, like I say, it's an individual endeavor. You do what's best for you in the discussion. We already know about the balancer, the L bond, the buybacks. And okay, the current Droplit stats, the TVL $922,000. The lit token is at 83 cents. The GDS token is at $72.83. The L bond is at 84 cents. We are on the 309th epoch. And again, please understand this. We don't understand. We're legends. We don't understand. We overstand. Just overstand how the process works, how important dropout in the L bond store or the hardware store is to getting discounted L bonds. And then not so much discounted L bonds, discounted lit tokens, because you're getting them on a discount. And then you know that you want to maintain them because you want to keep your lit, stake your lit, and earn the GDS, and then you take your profit in the GDS. Taxes, we already know. Littybot. All right. Increase your knowledge, reduce the FUD. Yes, please. If you're new and you don't know about what Littybot's job, please pause for the cause and read. All right, the community protocol. If you're new to Droplit and you're just now finding out about it, which we had some new the other night in the Late Night Lit Talk. This was her first time coming on Late Night Lit Talk, brand new to the protocol. This is exactly where you want to start. The community protocols number 1, 2, and 3 of Droplit. It tells you the mission, what it is, how it works, different strategies, different circles of prosperity, everything you need to know how to create an LP token, how to break apart the LP token, everything you need to know. Of course, you got to have the lit gear because we can feel lit, but we want to always look lit. So go out to Droplit.xyz shop, get you some lit gear, stay lit. And the emotionless investor. That's all of us that are in here right now. We see that it's under peg. We're not stressed. We have the vision. We have our vision goggles on. We can see what's to come. We can see LitX. We can see Schwifty. We can see the lit station. It's so lit. It's just so we can see it. So as long as we can physically see it, well, not physically, you know what I mean. As long as we can see it and we understand what's to come, we're patient. We don't follow the herd. We stay lit. All right, Late Night Lit Talk will come in up this Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As well, this is going to be the launch of the Golden Lit Estates NFT protocol as well. So definitely stay tuned throughout this week. Like I said, I have some whitelist spots to give away, and I know everybody that's here, you can see Crypto Tiger has some, Crypto 101, CV, Rock 8, Mo Crypto 777, myself. We all have, I don't know, Fergie had some, man, Crypto Timo has some. All of us have whitelist spots that we have to give away. So definitely tune into all of our videos, check them out. Some of them you can just answer, reply back in the comments. My legends know how I do, so you just do what you do. You're definitely going to want to get in it because this NFT protocol is different. It's not just earning the drip, the BUSD, and the lit tokens, or the drip BUSD LPs. It's got to have the Lit Academy /Lit University, and you'll be able to increase your knowledge and reduce your risk. That's what is so important. The fact that you can gain this knowledge and have access to this knowledge. And like I say, once you have the knowledge, nobody can take it away. And as always, remember, this is for informational, educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here just providing some edutainment. Everything lit, everything for the lit Droplit ecosystem. Are you lit? That's CTB down here. That's Cash Flow the Bull. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of the legends, stay lit and engage.